you put it on.
And I already told you that I won't put it on.
And I'm telling you again, put it on.
And again, I'm telling you again, no!
And I'm telling you, don't argue with me.
Why are you making such a big deal about this hat?
Come here.
Why is she bugging me so much?
My lovely friend, you know perfectly well that she has recently stayed out in the sun for too long and suffered because of it. She loves you and she doesn't want to see you suffer in the same way she did.
She stayed out in the sun too long. Why does everyone else have to suffer? And did you get a look at that hat? It's so hideous.
But is it really worth it, fighting over the small stuff?
So then I guess you haven't seen the hat. There's nothing small about it. Oh, great. She's coming back here with that hideous hat.
Oh, do you believe it? She won't listen to me. She doesn't understand that the sun can heat up your head so much that it cooks your brains like a crock pot.
My far-sighted friend, the sun is presently hidden behind the clouds. Therefore, you can stop worrying about it.
It may be gone now, but it will come out again any minute. It's not a picture. This is reality. See? What did I tell you? I'm telling you, put it on.
And I'm telling you no.
And I'm telling you, put it on.
You can't make me.
You'll catch a cold, silly girl. It's no joke. This is nothing to sneeze at. Look here, if you start walking about without a scarf, you'll get an ear infection. You'll get sick, and it will spread from your ears to your throat. Oh!
It's a tornado! I suggest you run for your life!
What happened to us?
Well, considering the fact that we are now right in the eye of the tornado, a place from which no one has ever gotten out alive, oh, thank you very much, we can say with a reasonable amount of certainty that we are currently on our way to the other side.
What does that mean? Are you saying that we're dead? Are you crazy? Why are the both of you sitting there so calm like that?
What's the point worrying now? It's too late for that. A hat or scarf won't protect you from a tornado, especially when you're inside it.
So, then I guess making me wear that silly hat and old-fashioned scarf was just pointless?
No, not pointless. There are precautions to take for every situation. A hat for the sun, a scarf for the wind.
What's the precaution for a tornado?
Nothing. You've been absorbed by a weather anomaly, my dear. That's why no one's bothering you anymore. You are free to do whatever you wish.
But I don't wish to do whatever I wish to do.
Huh? I guess this is it. This is most unusual.
Ah! We are saved! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Yes! It is dissipated! The tornado has dissipated! constipated! Look, our valley should be right up over that hill.
Don't step in the puddles. You'll catch a cold.
After all the craziness the three of us just went through, I mean, how can you even care about small stuff?
But this is not small stuff, my dear. First, your feet will get chilled, and there are lots of nerve endings in the feet, and nerves get very nervous at their endings, which results in a cold. You just don't see the whole picture.
It looks good hanging up. It's too bad I never got a chance to finish it.